if Thomas Edison had not dreamed of lighting up the world, and if he had given up after just 1 or 2 attempts, the world might have remained in darkness for many more years, who knows how long. But he never stopped trying, even after testing more than 6,000 materials. He moved forward with unshakable determination until he finally discovered the perfect filament for the electric bulb. This powerful spirit of perseverance, curiosity, and innovation is exactly what Cybration celebrates today. Respected guests, parents, teachers, and my dear students, we are not just hosting an event, we are celebrating ideas. Today, we gather to celebrate Cybration, a meaningful platform where questions are welcome, creativity is encouraged, and imagination finds direction. Science is not merely about formulas and facts. It is about courage, the courage to ask why, to experiment, to fail, and to try again. Science teaches us to question, explore, and discover. As Einstein rightly said, the important thing is to never stop questioning. Today's event reflects this spirit very beautifully. Every model and experiment represented curiosity, effort, and belief. History proves that great inventions are born from ordinary people who dared to try. From Marie Curie to APJ Abdul Kalam, every journey reminds us that when knowledge combined with determination can change the world. At this moment, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to our respected Director Sir, Dr. Gwalan Kaur. His vision, guidance, and constant encouragement made Cybration possible. His efforts have shaped every success. He introduced several remarkable initiatives at a very early stage, like smart classrooms, STEM, robotic curriculum, NEET integrated program, much before others. His foresight and dedication have truly transformed the academic landscape of our school. His silent support, unwavering belief, and confidence in our abilities inspire us every single day. We are truly grateful for his leadership and for being the guiding light of our institution. A very special note of appreciation goes to Cybration coordinator Hisham Sir. His dedication, meticulous planning made this event meaningful and inspiring. Thank you for turning vision into reality. Cybration is not about winning or losing. It's about learning teamwork and growth. It teaches us that failure is feedback, not defeat. Just as Edison proved, those who keep trying eventually create light. I would also like to extend my sincere thanks to our dedicated teacher for shaping young mind with patience and whole staff for untiring efforts. And a very special thanks to my all the supervisor and event in charges and our parents for nurturing curiosity and confidence at home. The most important, the heroes of the event, my dear students, today is your moment. Be proud of your ideas. You are not just participants. You are thinkers, innovators, and future problem solvers. Remember, great inventions begin with small ideas, and those ideas live within you. May Almighty Allah bless our effort and grant us knowledge that benefits humanity. Jazakallah.